This is going to be a trade recap on how I made $2,118.08 today day trading the NASDAQ. Low-key, that number is not accurate because that includes eval accounts that I am passing, but I'm going to say it anyway for the thumbnail and the title. Anyway, so this was the trade I took today. It was just a 1-to-1, but let's go over why I took this trade. So coming into the day, if you come to replay mode, we can see that if this loads, hello? Okay, we can see that we had this low down here on the daily time frame that we still have intact from this big move down on Friday, and then we tapped into this daily fair value gap right here. Daily fair value gap. So I was definitely bearish coming into the day. Now if we come down to the 4-hour time frame, I don't expect price to come all the way down to this low today. So that at this point I'm looking for areas for price to go to. So right here, I saw this 4-hour gap right here, and this was my draw on liquidity for the day. This is my target for the day. This is what I want to see get hit. The idea behind this is no matter what price is going to do, it's going to have to hit this 4-hour gap. Whether it's going to hit it and go up, I don't know. Whether it's just going to displace right through it and continue lower, I don't know. So this is my target for the day. I'm looking to take a trade towards this 4-hour gap. Now if we come down to the lower time frames here, we look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so we're already into market open here. This is 10 a.m. This is where my entry already dubbed by then. Anyway, so market opens right here. So here's market open. This candle's market open. I'll just replay it. So here's market open. Nothing really happens off market open. But right here, we get this manipulation up, and we actually tap into this 15-minute gap right here. And now the more important move, or the more important part of this move up here, other than this 15-minute gap, was ES came up to hit this daily gap. So ES didn't hit this daily gap. So this is market open on ES right here. Or where's market open on ES? Right here. So before market open, ES was way down here. It did not fill in that daily gap yet. So now as we can see off market open, we get that move up into market or into that daily gap on ES, which we're looking for rejections out of. Now if we come back over to NQ, this is exactly where we get our entry. So on this move up, we create this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Now we just wait for this to get inversed. And there was our entry right there. Put my stop somewhere above here. I put it above a 3-minute gap, I believe. Yeah, I put it like right here. And we target the 4-hour gap, but the 4-hour gap does not give us a 1-to-1 RR. Oops. But the 4-hour gap, as I'm saying, does not give us a 1-to-1 RR. So we just go for a 1-to-1. And I went break even at this low right here. And now if we play this out, see we got a little bit of hesitation, and then we delivered straight down to that 4-hour gap and hitting us for a 1-to-1 RR trade. Now why was this trade so good? I mean, it's pretty freaking obvious, I'm not going to lie. We just have unbelievable amounts of LRR right here leading up to this 4-hour gap. Again, we're reacting off a daily gap. The daily time frame is super bearish. I mean, we're not super bearish, but pretty freaking bearish down to these lows. We tap into a daily gap. We have a 4-hour gap to target. We have this 4-hour gap to target with tons of low resistance liquidity leading up to that 4-hour gap. I mean, there's really no reason not to take this trade. But yeah, so that was the trade today. That's why I took it. I also posted this along with my daily bias in the free Discord. Along with this trade, I literally said, I'm taking this. I'm looking for this 5-minute inverse. Boom, I'm in this. So yeah, join the freaking free Discord. The link is in the description. You guys, there's a bunch of literally every single day, I post my daily bias in there for free. And I also post trade ideas while I'm trading for free. So you guys can bounce your ideas off of my ideas, basically. See if you have an idea and then see if I have a similar idea. And then, yeah, then you take these banger trades with me. So, yeah, W day, join the Discord, and let's have another W day tomorrow.